Braid Zone, thank you for joining us. Today I'm going to show you how to pancake or make a braid a little more fluffy. I'm going to take one section and kind of pull it to the outside. Just pull it very gentle, so gently, just to make the braid a little bigger. So make a bun a little bigger. Go all the way down with the pulling. So that's how you pancake or fluffy braid. So you can adjust the way you want it, the way you like it. If you keep it this way, you can add some hairspray in it to let it stay the whole day. But that depends on what you're going to do next. And there you have your pancaked or fluffy braid. Thank you for watching. See you next time.